key error. Now we're back at this one. It's so funny, so funny. So funny. Back at the key error. Okay, so the continued occurrence of key error, even after reverting index, suggests a more fundamental issue of MACD. Given the complexities and persistent nature of the issue, it's time to consider a different approach. Yes, it is. It is. Please do. Consider a different approach. So we're going to put in this new next statement here. You can see the bottom left, we still have the AI coded for us, so it's all good. It's all good if we take our time because we know we have AI working on our side 24/7. Look at that. So we got some new workings here. I believe this is the optimization now, but I don't want to be too confident in this. See how it do. So you can see this is an entirely AI generated strategy and backtest. I just had to debug a little bit. Sometimes it's shorter, sometimes it's longer. Usually not longer. But this process usually would have taken me 10 hours, and you can see it drop down to an hour because we had the AI research the strategy for us. And then I just have to come here, and it already codes the backtest for us as well, but I just have to come here and debug a little bit. So eventually that process is going to be with an AI as well, which is kind of crazy to me, but it will be here. This might take a while to optimize, as it is optimizing a bunch of stuff. Let's make sure that you leave here today with all the code. I want to make sure that all this code is yours, that you can play with however you'd like. And we'll let this optimize here. You can see this is the code here. And I can actually zoom out if you do want to take a screenshot of that. There it is. That's the full code. If you want to take a screenshot of that real quick, this is going to optimize. I'll probably kick it for a few minutes to let it optimize, but you can also let it optimize on your computer. This has been very successful for us today because not only did we figure out this backtest, but it was generated entirely by AI based on somebody else's video. So somebody made a video on YouTube. We went ahead and took that video and put it into our AI. Our AI found the strategy, wrote up the strategy, and then coded the backtest. You see how powerful this is, bro? It's crazy people are still trading by hand. I don't get it. So I give all of this away in my boot camp. My boot camp is where I hold your hand through the process of automating your trading step by step. If you've ever lost a trade due to emotions, it's okay. It happens. We're all humans. We're not supposed to be trading. Computers are supposed to be trading for us. And now that we have OpenAI and ChatGPT and OpenAI's assistants, we literally can have OpenAI trade for us, remove all of our emotions, and automate your trading here in this boot camp. I show you step by step over the next 14 days in short, concise videos. No long videos like these YouTube videos, all short and concise, step by step, walking you through all of the code because I do give you all of my code, including this AI, and I can't believe I give that AI away. It took hundreds of hours to build, and most people would not be able to build it. So this AI can actually be applied to pretty much anything. So you see how it's a swarm of AI that's always going through and finding new strategies and coding the back test. But in the boot camp, I show you how to set it up. I show you a bunch of other stuff, exactly how to automate your training step by step. You have 100% money back guarantee, always, always, always. You can see all the people that have had success with the boot camp. And feel free to chat with them in the Discord. The Discord's at the bottom of this page. And if you've never coded before, I'd show you exactly how to code, so don't you worry. If you're already a coder, that's even better, because then boom, you're just going to save thousands of hours trying to figure out how to build this for algo trading. So if you know how to code, you have a fast track. But if you don't know how to code, I've shown all of these people how to code so that they can automate their trading. And this is just to get you up to speed with me as soon as possible. So go ask other members, how's it going? How's the boot camp going? You can see we're optimizing this back test now. I'll put all this code when it's finished inside of the boot camp. After it's done optimizing, we always put our strategies, our back tests, our code, all in the boot camp in the Discord. So we all have access to everything. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna let this optimize. I'll make sure to show you the code one more time here, so this can be like the most profitable YouTube video you've ever been on. You can see here, I just opened it up. That's the full code that you should be able to see on your screen now. The entire code is